Hi guys, so today I'm going to review this Qubo Smart Door Lock. So let's get started. So I've recently purchased this, I think a few months ago, and I liked it, and I loved it. So there are a lot of features here. I think I bought it around 11.5 thousand. So it was a Diwali sale, but I think the regular price would be around 14k. And so these are the features. So you can open it by fingerprint, with pin code, with the phone app, an access card, and one mechanical key. The access card and mechanical key are here. So let's go around the device itself. So this is the device as it looks from the inside. So it has a handle here and one mechanical lock, and you can see there's some locks here. There's a 5-key system. I think this is the first, second, third, and I think 2 are here. One is the mechanical one, it's kind of jammed, and we'll show you the outside view. So it has a touchpad. Give me 1 second. Let's see. So it has an audio system which works like to tell you what it is going to, how it's going to work like. So you can see the touchpad here, and this is the fingerprint reader, and it also has a lighting system. So let's get ahead and see back side. So I have the old lock with me, but I have replaced it. So it needs some drilling here, and I think the procedure took around 1 hour. Might be a little more than that. They have to drill this to get it in the perfect shape, and then insert this thing. This is kind of free of charge from the company itself, Qubo. They might ask you for some tea, coffee things like but it's mostly generally free of cost. And it operates by, I think, around 8 batteries. They are here. You can put rechargeable batteries, and the lifetime of it is around 2 years. So the number of ways to open it is like around 5 ways. Let me show you all of them. So I'm going outside my home. I locked it, and you can double lock it by like this. This is the double lock. So let me try the first way with my fingerprint. It might not work because my fingers are kind of sweaty as of now. Let me try. So it failed the first time. Failed the second. Let me try again. So there are a number of other ways as well. So there's this password way, you can try it that way, or you can try it with this. This is the smart key reader. So it opened up. This is one of the way. You can also use the mobile app to open it. The app. Let me show you the app. Might be a little slow. The app needs improvement, but it has a lot of features. You can also open it by connecting with the device with the Bluetooth, and give me 1 second and it will work. So you can unlock it like this. So this is the way. There's a pin code way, there's a fingerprint way. Let me try it again. I will try the card. So it worked. So it works usually like in the first attempt itself. My hands were very sweaty because of that. It took some time. So I will lock it. So this were some of the features this has. And let me get back to this. So if the batteries die and you are outside, you can use like a USB chargers with a power bank to power it for that temporary time, and you can open the lock. The other way is also one-time password. If you are outside and your fingerprint won't work, you don't know the password, you can actually send someone a temporary password and they can access it, like maids or cooks, and you are not around. And if all else fails, you can use the manual way using this master key. this is the master key, and you can unlock it by that way. I think currently I'm using it, and my wife, and I also gave my parents this like I enabled the fingerprints for them, so they can come like into the house in and out, and I don't have to open the door always. Yeah, it comes very handy, like if I go to the office and my wife is not at home, and like I forgot the keys, I can open the door myself, and like the users can open it basically. So that was mostly it, and let me know in the comment section, like if you need more details about this, or you should get it, and like how much like it is worth or not. Let me know about it. Please like, subscribe and share this, and have a happy day. Bye.